Rajat, many congratulations and all the best. थोड़ा सा फॉलो अप वही क्वेश्चन के ऊपर आपके इंट्रो में भी बताया था कि आपका कैसे आप इंजरी रिप्लेसमेंट जैसे आए थे एक साल, फिर मतलब ऑलमोस्ट शादी पोस्टपोन किया, सेंचुरी बनाया, फिर रेगुलर हो गए. आप अपना पूरा जर्नी आरसीबी के साथ जब देखते हैं तो मतलब कैसे देखते हैं, और दूसरा है कि आपको किस मोमेंट में लगा कि हाँ मैं ये टीम में एकदम टिका हुआ हूं, क्योंकि एक टाइम में आप थे नहीं टीम में, फिर इंजरी रिप्लेसमेंट जैसे आए, तो वॉज इट व्हेन जब आपने सेंचुरी मारा, या लास्ट ईयर जब आप इतना अच्छा फॉर्म में थे, या जब कैप्टनसी की बात हुई, कब लगा कि मैं इस टीम का इंटीग्रल पार्ट हूं?
मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं कभी ऐसा सोचता नहीं हूं कि मैं इस टीम का, मतलब कहीं भी मैं खेलता हूं तो मैं उस चीज को उस वे में नहीं लेता हूं कि मैं इस टीम का एक मेन पार्ट हो चुका हूं या कुछ भी पार्ट. हाँ, तो अगर मैं इसमें खासकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो सपोर्ट और लव जो फैंस से मिला मुझे जब मैं एज ए रिप्लेसमेंट भी आया, और उसके बाद जो मेरी इंजरी हुई थी, जो लव और सपोर्ट जो उन्होंने दिया, आई थिंक मुझे वो मोटिवेट ज्यादा किया टू डू बेटर एज एन इंडिविजुअल. और स्टार्टिंग से मेरी वन ऑफ द फेवरेट टीम रही है आरसीबी, और आई थिंक उसी टीम से खेलने का मुझे मौका मिला, तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि बहुत आई फील वेरी लकी फॉर दैट.
Rajat, hi. Congratulations on your captaincy appointment. My question to you is, you were here captaining your side during the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy final, and you saw the kind of response the crowd gave you and backed your team. So, when you're going out there with the Royal Challengers Bangalore for the upcoming season, what kind of support do you see from the crowd, and how do you want to respond to the support that they'll be giving you?
Wherever I go to play, I think there are a lot of fans, and not only me, all the RCB players. I think the way they support them and the way they love the players, I think this is one of the biggest plus point of the team because of their fans. And I'm very lucky that I have too much of support from outside of the ground as well. And I have too much support from my team as well, and I thank to RCB management also the way they have shown the faith in me. So I'm exciting and looking forward for it.
I would like to ask you one question: that what sort of a captain do you see yourself for the RCB, and how do you see E-Sala Cup Namde happen this year?
I think for this it's important to follow the process. I think my strength is more on the process best. I don't look what will be the result of this process. So I think my strength is slightly different, and so yeah, I'll back my strength the way I'm captaining my state team. I'll back the same way in the IPL as well.
Captaining a player like Virat Kohli of such a big stature, थोड़ा तो pressure रहेगा, या आसान रहेगा या डिफिकल्ट रहेगा, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बात कीजिए.
आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से इतना प्रेशर नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं उन्हें अच्छे से, काफी टाइम साथ में खेला हूं मैं उन्हें, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है उनके साथ खेलने के लिए और खेलने की, और उसके बाद उनका एक्सपीरियंस और उनके जो आइडियाज उनके जो थॉट्स है, आई थिंक वो मुझे काफी हेल्प करेंगे एज ए लीडरशिप क्वालिटी में.
Talk us through your style of captaincy. What is it that excites you about this role? And if you can shed some light on how you intend to take RCB forward.
I really feel good right now. If I talk about my way of captaincy, I'm not that much expressive, but at the same time I'm aware of the situation of the matches. So I think for me it's important to back my players and stand with them, and give the sort of environment where they feel relaxed and confident. So yeah, I'm lucky that I'm surrounded by one of the best peoples in the team, and we have a group of leaders as well, where their experience and ideas will definitely help in my new leadership role and growth as an individual also.
And we're happy to have you as the captain of RCB as well, on behalf of all the fans as well. And Rajat, one final question. We spoke a lot about how Virat's going to play a big role as part of the leadership squad. We know how important your partnership with Virat with the bat in the center is. Tell us how you're going to be leaning on Virat as far as captaincy is concerned as you take on this new role.
I think it's a great opportunity for me to learn from one of the best of the cricket. So I think his ideas, his experience, I think it will definitely help me in my leadership role. And yeah, I've done a lot of partnership with him, so I think I know him very well. So yeah, his experience and his ideas will definitely help me in my leadership role.